Due to wide reach of internet, cloud infrastructure and mobility, you can cater to almost every person in the world with your software solution. Limit of your service will be based on how many people you can cater to. Examples: Amazon, Netflix, Twitter, WhatsApp, Facebook and etc. One has to think through and design properly for a highly scalable and highly available solution. Similarly, validation and verification of a highly scalable and highly available software system is also an elaborate activity. We typically break down software performance testing into two phases. In first phase, we test the system with very modest hardware resources, and then we stress the system till the time it breaks down. That is called stress testing. In this process, we try to find the software bottlenecks and design bottlenecks in the system. In the second phase, which is called performance testing, we simulate production equivalent environment and then generate the seed data either from the production system data by removing personally identifiable information, which is also called PII, or generating similar or equivalent data using our customly built utilities. Once that is done, then we test this system with the load which is equivalent of the peak load, and by adding some additional buffer into it and testing with that environment as well as that data for a considerable period of time, so that it mimics the production environment, and then we identify challenges in the system. Application metrics and system metrics are recorded and monitored while the performance testing is going on. System metrics such as processor utilization, memory utilization, disk IO, and networking IO utilization, etc. are collected. In the application metrics, we collect page response time, system throughput, and we also observe any events or errors logs in the application logs files. Once this is done, we present the metrics statistics along with our observations and also record design as well as code level changes to the customer in order to enhance the performance of the system. Services we provide include consulting for the architecture review of the system, performance test strategy, performance test design and performance test execution, capacity planning, as well as consulting and implementation for the design as well as code changes for the performance enhancements of the application. For a general insurance product, we conducted performance test design and performance test execution. This product was developed using Microsoft technology stack, and we used open source technology tools for designing and developing the performance tests. For a healthcare information exchange customer, we conducted performance testing for many important components such as enterprise patient master index, that is EMPI, BizTalk adapter component, web services interface. We did stress testing of these components, then followed by the performance testing of the entire system. We also conducted stress testing of the end-to-end system. For performance testing, we built production equivalent environment and then we loaded it with the patient demographic HL7 messages of around 1 million quantity, and then we fed around 30 million clinical data HL7 messages to the system. Other than this, we also tested the EMPI component in cloud as well as local environment and provided capacity planning data. For a banking solution, we conducted performance testing on the local environment as well as AWS cloud. The product was developed using Microsoft technology stack and it was hosted on Windows platform and IIS as a web as well as application server. For a mobile data management solution, that is MDM, we did stress as well as performance testing for their key user scenarios such as bulk user enrollment, bulk device enrollment, enterprise application distribution. So we did this testing for a system which was hosted on AWS. This was a multi-tenant system and we used open source technologies for designing and developing the performance scripts. For a distributed data backup software product, we did stress as well as performance testing of their agent nodes as well as central coordination component. For an enterprise task management product, we did performance testing for their solution, which was hosted in their remote data center. This involved generating and feeding complex system data to seed the system in the beginning. We also ensured that the system was reset to the clean state before starting the new performance run. We have performance test architects who have around 10 plus years of experience in the industry, who have done performance test strategy, performance test design and performance test execution for different types of products, and they can add value at each of these stages. We have performance test engineers who can write complex performance test. They can execute the performance test by setting up the complex performance test environments equivalent to the production environments, by building utilities to generate different types of seed data in order to conduct performance testing, and then by consolidating all the key information in various reports to be presented to the customer. We have software architects who can analyze the system performance failures and recommend design as well as code changes. We have software engineers who can implement the code changes to enhance the performance of the system. We use AWS, Azure, Google Cloud Platform, OpenStack cloud environments to deploy production equivalent environments for the performance testing. Our performance test engineer can set up complex performance test environment as equivalent to the production systems. On Linux systems, we use tools such as Prometheus, Graphite, Nagios, and utilities like TOP, Nmon, IOStat, IFTOP, VMstat, etc. for monitoring and recording the important statistics. On Windows systems, we use tools such as Perfmon, SCOM, Nagios for recording and monitoring important system metrics. We use web server logs to record and analyze server response time as well as throughput. We use load generation tools to measure client response time. We use open source tools such as ELK Stack, Nagios, and IIS Web Server Log Analyzer for tracking and monitoring web server logs. Based on the requirement, we use custom tools or utilities for load generation or loading the system for the performance test, or we use tools like Apache JMeter, Microsoft Visual Studio, IBM Rational Performance Tester, AppPerfect Load Tester for performance data generation.